In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear window sliding lock on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted directly to your rear window. Let's get into it. All right, let's get started on our job. We'll start by removing our original. To do that, you want it in the unlock position, and you're going to remove the 2 screws from the latch side. Use a Phillips head for this. Now we can remove that latch. We'll set this aside. Now let's remove these other 2 screws. All right, let's get ready for our installation. We'll be starting with this piece first. You want to make sure that you have this beveled edge facing in a way that the latch will be able to clip behind it. To put this in position, we'll be starting one of the mounting screws straight on through it. We'll get this aligned and start that one in. Now we're going to wait on tightening that until we start in the second one as well. With them both started, we'll make sure they're nice and snug. Double check to make sure that's secure. We'll continue on to the latch side. The process for this will be the same exact thing. Start in each one of those mounting screws before you tighten either of them. All right, let's test its functionality. Double check to make sure it is secure.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.